Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of July 22nd, 2022. For those of you who do not know me, I am the school's parent liaison. I am your guide to PBMA. Here are some upcoming events. On July 27th for the elementary campus and July 28th for the secondary campus, from 8:30 a.m. until 1 o'clock p.m., we will have Form Fill-Out Day. On this very important day, families come up to school to fill out extremely important school forms, such as signing up for buses and shuttle, before and after care, ordering uniforms, receive car line windshield signs, and complete other very important paperwork. We will also have samples of uniforms so parents can see the sizes. Families with students on both campuses can attend either day, and Kona Ice will be here from 10 o'clock until 1 o'clock. Please make an effort to attend. It's very important. However, if you cannot attend, please email me after the 28th, and I will send out whatever paperwork that I can. School supply lists have been emailed to parents. The lists can also be found on our website. Parents tab to Forms and Links. Scroll down to School Supply Lists. Uniforms are sold through our website too. Click the Parents tab to the Uniform submenu. Then click the link to the uniform company. To see the uniform choices, click on the 3 lines on the top left of the page. Meet the Teacher is on August 9th. Please bring your students' school supplies to the Meet the Teacher. There's a lot to carry. Meet the Teacher for grades kindergarten and grade 5 is 12:30 till 1:15 p.m. Grades 1 and 4 is 1:30 till 2:15 p.m. and grades 2 and grade 3 is 2:30 to 3:15 p.m. Middle school is from 1 o'clock till 2 o'clock p.m. and high school is from 2:30 to 3:30 p.m. The first day of school is Wednesday, August 10th. Kindergarten students will have a staggered start. Your kindergarten teacher will let you know when your new kindergartner's first day of school will be. It'll be on August 10th, 11th, or 12th. The kindergartner will only attend one of these days. Then the entire class comes back on Monday, August 14th. Here's a message from our administration.
Hi PBMA families, it's Mrs. Smith, the elementary principal. I wanted to wish everybody a happy summer, and I'm so excited to see you all back soon, and I really hope to see many of you at Form Day.
Remember to update your students' shots and physicals with the office. No shots, no school, no kidding. Please sign up for our important and emergency text message system. Text K5 PBMA for the elementary campus or 612 PBMA for the secondary campus to the number 844-764-2094. Looking forward to seeing everyone next week at Form Fill-Out Day. Please like Palm Beach Maritime on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you're always informed of the newest information. I'm Mrs. Cooper and this is Bailey. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.